Open the Corel Draw. Click Text tool. Input a letter, for instance, letter S. Select the font we need. Click Pick tool. Right-click and then select Convert to Curves. Move the cursor to the right side. Click the top colorless button, then right-click a color that you like, for instance, orange color. Here we can set the size of letter as per our requirement. Set an outline width for the letter, here we select hairline. Click Effects. Then click Contour. Here we select Outside Contour. Set steps for 1. Set offset for 10 mm. Now there is a contour 10 mm outside the letter S. Export the letter as DXF format. The selection here should be as per this image. Now we've got the DXF file. Open the Eroga 3D slicer. Import the DXF file that we just made. Edit the starting point at the better positions. We are going to make 2 colors on the face panel. So we need to click Extruder 2, and click the inner part of the letter. The inner part turns into pink color after being clicked. Select the letter, click Combine and Horizontal Mirror. Click Fill, tick Panel Filling, and set the parameters as per our requirement. Select the letter before we set the output parameters on the right column. Select Reverse Print, select Line, and set 30 mm for letter height. Here we can set the color switch as per our requirement. We can set the position of bottom step at 4 mm if the thickness of bottom panel is 3 mm. For this letter, we don't need to set Prevent Curl, Connect Letter, or Surround Side. Tick Panel Color, set the height according to our requirement, and select Separate Extruder 1 for Fill Type 1. Click Get Path, then tick Baseplate to save the DXF file for bottom panel. Click File Output to get the G-code file. Now we've got the DXF file for the bottom panel and G-code file for the letter. Check in the 3D preview before we print it. We can see that there are 2 different colors on the face panel to make it a trimmed letter S.